create inventory file. Let's create inventory file and also add user script in our create instance.tf file. Let's create inventory file first. Creating inventory file, we have to have Ansible folder, and then inside this there should be a folder called as inventories. Inside this there should be a file called as inventories.ini. Once it is created, so we will be creating everything inside this. So let's see how we can create it. We'll be creating groups. So we have group as called as 𝐾𝐻 node children. Under this everything will be there, like control plane. In script we have created control plane, right? Control plane. And for worker nodes we have given node. And for bastion we have given local. And 𝐾𝐻 is workers children. 𝐾𝐻 is worker is node. So whenever I call 𝐾𝐻 node in my YAML file, it should run on all these worker, all these related groups. When I run on 𝐾𝐻 worker, it should only run on node. So similar like that, I have control plane also. Control plane. I have to define local also. I have to define node also. We are creating NFS server also, right? So NFS server also have to define. Once I define all these things, our thing is created. So if we see that 𝐾𝐻 node children, this defines a group, 𝐾𝐻 node, and children means 𝐾𝐻 node is a list, is not a list of hosts but a list of group. And group will have control plane and node and local, and all hosts inside control plane, node and local will be part of 𝐾𝐻 node. All nodes inside control plane, node and local will be part of 𝐾𝐻 node. Yeah, that's all I wanted to cover. And I'll add the user data in user data in create instance.tf file. Let's see how we can add it. I'll add it. Let's push this code. Status, let's check status. Sad status. Let's check now. We have created Ansible folder, and under that inventory. Under inventory we have added these things. Let's add IP through the script under this.